Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset the Xiaomi 15. Okay, so let's begin. Basically there are two options how you can reset your phone. So the first one is via settings, so simply go into settings, scroll down a little bit, don't scroll, go into about phone, scroll down a little bit until you find the factory reset. And now simply click on erase all data. Now draw your pattern. Also, if you don't have backup, you can create a one over here, because remember that factory reset will erase all of your data from the phone and you lost it. So it's good to have a backup. So now when you simply click on the factory reset, follow the instruction and the phone will be resetted, and you will need to set it up as a brand new. But the second option is using the recovery mode. So how we enter the recovery mode? First we need to hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time until the phone shuts down. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, let's keep on holding even when the screen went black. Okay, and now we are in the recovery mode. So when we want to move around this menu, we use the volume up and the volume down to go down and go up, and if we want to confirm our selected option, we use the power button. So now we need to click on wipe data, and now let's confirm. Okay, so basically the process is started. Okay, it's done now. As you can see, data wiped successfully. And now let's click back to main menu. Let's scroll down again and let's click on restore system. No restore system. Now we simply click on the reboot. Reboot the system, confirm by clicking the power button. And now let's wait until the phone turns on. So now you also need to set up your phone, and all of your data is lost basically now. So that's how you perform a factory reset. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.